Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of August in the year 2024, our system has identified Intel as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock saw a decline of 30.81%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.93% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a very broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 25.51% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 36.53% to an increase of 13.54%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 23.45% over the next year, with a potential return between a decrease of 29.84% and an increase of 61.09%. This translates to a price range between $14.10 and $32.38 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel features the headline, "Is Intel stock still a buy after experiencing a decline of 6.12% on Thursday?" The Intel stock price dropped by 6.12% on the most recent trading day, Thursday, the 22nd of August, 2024, falling from $21.41 to $20.10. Throughout that trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 6.79%, ranging from a low of $20.04 to a high of $21.40. The price has seen a consistent pattern of ups and downs during this time, resulting in a loss of 1.9% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day by 23 million shares, despite the declining prices. This could indicate an early warning, suggesting that the risk may slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 80 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $1.6 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Currently, the price stands at 60.80%, or $31.18, below the 52-week high, and 70.99%, or $49.19, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock experienced a decline of 6.1% on August 22nd, following reports that construction plans for 2 significant chip fabrication facilities in Germany may be facing delays. This development raises investor concerns about the company's growth trajectory, especially as it has already encountered substantial losses in its manufacturing operations. The potential implications of these setbacks could be severe in the short term, as the semiconductor sector heavily relies on production capabilities to satisfy increasing demand. Furthermore, Intel is contending with a class action lawsuit from investors who allege that misleading information was provided regarding its foundry business, contributing to the unfavorable sentiment surrounding the stock. Such lawsuits can be both costly and time-consuming, potentially undermining investor confidence and further driving down the stock price. The departure of board member Lip Bu-tan, who played a crucial role in the company's recovery strategy, may also signal instability in leadership, a factor that investors closely monitor. Additionally, there are rising concerns about Intel's ability to compete with industry rivals, particularly NVIDIA, which has solidified its position as the leading vendor in data center chips due to its emphasis on advancements in artificial intelligence. In the long term, these issues present significant challenges for Intel's recovery. The company must demonstrate its manufacturing capabilities and reassure investors regarding its strategic direction. If these matters are not adequately addressed, Intel may face prolonged stock underperformance. Conversely, successfully navigating these challenges could eventually enhance investor sentiment, paving the way for potential recovery. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel a sector weight grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated Intel as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as buy with a hold action. On that same day, RBC Capital assigned Intel a sector perform grade along with a downgrade action. Additionally, on that day, BMO Capital rated Intel as market perform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 5.85%. Further growth is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals were issued as well, which may affect near-term developments. The Intel stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, indicating that the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $20.79 and $27.48. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal from 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 102 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 110 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $19.83. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant volatility throughout the day, and with a notably large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.36 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.79%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.55%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -2 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.11. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $19.83. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger also conducted another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner made an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On that same day, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 31st of July, David Zinsner sold 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 1.014. In summary, insiders purchased a total of 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? Currently, Intel exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have downgraded our assessment for this stock from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of August, we expect Intel to open up 413 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $20.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.